Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problems in exercise 12.2. We start with problem 9. So the problem is a brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. Right. So here we are having something, okay, a brooch or a plate, something like that, in the form of a circle whose diameter is 35 millimeters. Right. The same wire, okay, the silver wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown. Right, so here we have to find the total length of the silver wire required and the area of each sector of the brooch. Right, so here we are having a circle. Right, so we are having a circle whose diameter is, okay, diameter is 35 mm. Right, now the next thing is the wire is, that is we are having 5 diameters in total. Right, 5 diameters which divides the circle into 10 equal parts. So totally there are 5 diameters. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry. You see 1, right, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So totally there are 5 diameters. Right, and this 5 diameter divides the circle into 10 equal sectors. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so totally the circle is divided into 10 parts. So here we have to find the total length of the silver wire required. So here, can you tell me what are all the places where we used silver wire? That is, here this part is made of silver. Right, you see. A brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of a circle. So this entire outer surface, okay, this part is made of silver. Then you see again the same wire, that is a silver wire, is used in making 5 diameters. So again these 5 diameters, okay, these 5 diameters are also made of silver. So if you want to find the total length of the silver, you have to calculate these two things. Right, first you have to find the length at the circumference and the diameter 5 times, okay, because we are having 5 diameters. So you have to find for per length what is the length of the silver wire used. Right, for per diameter what is the length of the silver wire, then you have to find for the, then you can multiply by 5. Right, so we will start with, first you see the given thing is diameter, therefore the radius is 35 by 2. Right, so here the unit is mm, so whenever you write it should be in mm. The next one is, what do you mean by this outer part of the circle? This is known as circumference. So what is the formula for circumference? It is 2 pi r. So here 2 into pi is 22 by 7. The value of r is 35 by 2. So just substitute here. So when you substitute and simplify, you see 7 5s are 35 and this 2 and 2 cancels each other. So 22 into 5 gives you 110 mm. Right, so we have calculated the length of the wire which is used in the circumference here. Right, now we have to find the diameters. Right, so here in the problem the value of diameter is directly given, it is 35 mm length. So here in this circle how many diameters we have? We have 5 diameters which is clearly mentioned in the problem. Right, we have 5. So what to do? You have to multiply 5 with 35. Right, because you have to find the length of 5 diameters. So length of one diameter is 35. Right, it is 35. So length of 5 diameter is 5 into 35 which gives you 175 mm. Right, now the total length of the silver wire required is nothing but you have to add this circumference with this length of 5 diameters. So here it becomes 110 plus 175. So this gives 285 mm. Right, this is the total length of the silver wire required. Right, so first part of the problem is over. Now what is the second part? You see, we have to find the area of each sector of the brooch. Right. So, area of each sector. What do you mean by sector here? You see, we are having two radii covered by a corresponding arc. Right. So, this portion is known as sector. So, we have to find the area of each sector. Right. So, here we have the direct formula. Right. So, what is the formula? So formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Right. Yeah. How to find theta here? You see again. What is the entire angle of the circle? It is 360 degrees. Right. So how many sectors, okay, how many parts the angle is divided? It is divided as you see. We start from here. Okay. Let me mark this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have divided this into 10 equal parts. So what about the angle of each part? We have to divide this by 10. So 360 by 10 gives you 36 degrees. Right. So this is the angle of each sector. Right. So angle of each sector is 360 by 10, which is 36 degrees. Right. So now we have to substitute this angle, this value in the place of theta. So here theta is 36. So 36 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into what is the value of r? Here the value of r is 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Right. So here we can cancel lot of things. Right. You see 36 and 360. So 10 times. Right. Again I have cancelled this 10 and this 22. No. I have cancelled, wait, this 7 and this 35. Right. And this 2 and this 22. Okay, anyhow, right? You just do this cancellation by yourself, right? So finally I am ending up with 11 into 5 into 7 divided by 4. You see 2 into 2, 4. So finally I am having 385 by 4 millimeter square. Right. So while doing this simplification, do it carefully. Right. Anyway, I believe you people know how to do this. So here comes the final answer. Since everything is represented in terms of millimeter, here it is represented as millimeter square because this is the area. Right. So now we will proceed with our next problem. So problem number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So here you see the problem deals with umbrella, right? So and again they are telling assuming umbrella to be a flat circle, right? So it is a circle here with radius 45 cm. So here the radius is 45 centimeter. Right. Now then the next thing is find the area between the two consecutive ribs. So totally this umbrella has 8 ribs. Right. So what are all the 8 ribs? You see these are said to be the ribs. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 ribs, and we have to find the area between the two consecutive ribs. That is, this is one rib and this is one rib. You have to find the area. Right. So from this diagram it is clear, right? We are having 2 radii and the corresponding arc. So this is a sector. Right. So here we have to find the area of the sector. So what is the formula for area of the sector? Here it is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. So how to find theta here? So theta is nothing but, again you see, the angle covered by the whole circle is 360 degree. And here it is divided into 8 parts. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore 360 divided by 8. Right. So here it is 8 4s are 32. Right. There will be a balance 2. sorry, 8 fours are 32. So here the balance is 4, so 8 fives are 40, so here the angle is 45 degrees. So our area between the two consecutive ribs is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 45. So 45 by 360 into pi is 22 by 11 into 45 into 45. Right. So here I am simplifying this 45, 360 and this 22. Right. So finally here I am having 11 into 45 square is 2025, right? Divided by here 7 fours are 28. So again 11 into 2025 gives you 2275 divided by 28 centimeters square, right? So here you can ask me whether we can divide and write the answer in simplified form. Yes, you can. Since the book back answer ended with this, I have stopped with this, right? So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.